Hello, we'll be covering the process to implement a free cloud Jira instance for personal, family, society, or business use. Jira, a product of Atlassian, is a powerful tool for issue tracking and project management. With Jira Cloud, you can manage your projects anytime, anywhere, even for free. We have to check the given precondition and follow below steps with corresponding expected result. Precondition first. User has internet access, second work email and login with password test. Data, work email and password. Let's dive into the process step by step. The first step, searching for Jira issue and project tracking software in your preferred search engine. Jira Software from Atlassian should be displayed. Step 2. Click on Get It Free button at top right product list. Page should be displayed. Step 3. Click on Next button at bottom right. User should be redirected on Get Started page. Step 4. Enter work email and click on Sign Up button. Verify and activate your account. Page should be displayed. Step 5. Go on Mail ID and open Verification Mail. Verify your email button should be displayed. A verification email will be sent to the email address you provided. Open it. Step 6. Click on Verify your email address. Verified page should be displayed. Step 7. Enter full name and create password. Full name and create password should be displayed. Step 8. Click on Continue button. Let's name your site page should be displayed. Step 9. Enter your site and click on Agree button. Tell us a bit about yourself. Page for type of team should be displayed. Step 10. Click on Skip question button at bottom right. Tell us a bit about yourself. Page for your role should be displayed. Step 11. Click on Skip question button at bottom right. Tell us a bit about yourself. Page for your main task should be displayed. Step 12. Select templates and click on Next button at bottom right. Create project page should be displayed. Step 13. Enter project name and click on Create project button at bottom right. User should be tool selection page. Step 14. Click on Skip button at bottom right. User should be redirect on Jira timeline page. And there we have it, our first project created in our Jira instance. Share your thoughts in the comments section below.